what happened in July? AI and chip stocks sold off pretty heavily. Is that the story here?
Yes, exactly. It's an concentrated AI bet. Coatue has long been bullish on the sector, and 4 of its biggest holdings in the trade have worked against it. You're seeing huge declines on Taiwan Semiconductor, GE Vernova, Lam Research, and Applied Materials, some of them sinking as much as 29%. So this is part of what pulled down the fund's performance to the worst performance in over a year for the month. But yes, as you mentioned earlier, the fund is still up 14% on the year.
The Philippe Lafont thesis is that there is a super cycle in AI coming.
Yeah.
Any deviation from that after July?
I can't imagine that he would have changed his perspective, which he's held on to for quite some time. He has experienced volatility earlier this year. They were down 5% in March, given the tumult in the Middle East. They also posted a return in May, its best return in like 25 years, when they gained 14% in that month alone. So look, it's been a roller coaster for investors in this fund, but you do know what you're getting when you invest in Coatue. And it is this sort of long-held vision that the future will be AI-driven, that there is this super cycle to come. And I can't imagine that this 1 month would have changed his perspective. Who knows? He may have bought the dip as well.
Right. Let's go back to the year-to-date gain, 14.3%. Like, where does Coatue sit in the sort of group of other hedge funds that you've been able to track?
Yeah, good question. So when we look at the spread of the sector, we have Tiger Global, Coatue, Viking, Lone Pine. We call these firms the Tiger Cubs because they came from Julian Robinson's Tiger Management and have spawned their own firms. And so when we look at, say, there is some divergence, right? Viking Global, for example, a lot more cautious on the AI sector, really pulling back those shares, not as exposed. That would have helped them in a month like last month. But they've also said that that's meant some missing out on some gains that other firms have really taken advantage of, like Coatue, like Tiger Global, and to some extent, like Lone Pine.